Good morning, sir. Welcome to my workplace. I am Princess Ramos. I'm your tour guide here. As you enter the shop, you will see the shoe rack used for sanitation and hygiene. And then the multi-purpose rack wherein you put and see all the materials and tools like measuring device and collections of knives. To your left is the upright type freezer and chest type freezer. Use it to keep our products. Next to the gas range and gas stove used for cooking. In front of you is the washing area, and over here are the kinds of electric machine like meat tumbler used for mixing meat, especially for making tocino made in Singapore. Then the meat slicer used to cut the meat made in Italy. Then the corned beef shredder used for making corned beef made in Finland. And the last one is the meat grinder used to grind the meat